Hello guys, you're watching the Payment Guide YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be talking about MayBank Malaysia Visa Debit Picture Card. It's a card on which you can display a picture of your own choice. And there are so many benefits of this card. The whole detail will be explained in this video, step by step, in detail. So to know all about this picture card, watch the video till the end. Do not skip any part of it. Before I proceed to the information of this MayBank Visa Debit Picture Card, if you are new to this channel, subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates of the latest videos. MayBank Visa Debit Picture Card. To talk about its benefits, the first benefit is that you can shop at millions of outlets worldwide that accept Visa card. You can track your online transaction via MayBank to you. There's no income requirement for application, no finance and late charges or annual fees. Smart chip security activated. Its features are that if you are an existing MayBank customer, you can convert your MayBank Visa debit card, co-brand MayBank Master card and MayBank bank card into debit card with picture of your choice. You can use this card locally or overseas. You can pay your bills or transfer money. You can set your own purchase limit of up to 10,000 ringgit. Daily default purchase limit is of 3,000 ringgit. The replacement fee for picture card is 27 ringgit one-time fee per card. There will be no other fee. You have to just pay 27 ringgit one time. Annual fee is free. Card replacement fee is free. There is renewal after 7 years. Renewal after 7 years expiry date. There's one time payment for 7 years. The card is free. Replacement due to loss, stolen, damaged card, forgotten PIN is 12 ringgit. To talk about transaction fees and charges, fifth withdrawal and above in a month. If you withdraw fifth time or more than fifth time, then you have to pay 0.50 ringgit per withdrawal. Fee waived if you have a balance of above 5,000 ringgit at a time of withdrawal, or single transaction of maximum withdrawal of 1,500 ringgit and above unlimited withdrawal at any MaBank ATM 8 ringgit per annum. Cash withdrawal at other domestic banks ATMs 1 ringgit per withdrawal. Cash withdrawal at international banks ATMs with Plus platform 12 ringgit per withdrawal. No cash ATM transactions such as e-balance inquiry, fund transfer to any MayBank account, local check deposit, cash deposit, etc. is free. Retail purchase at merchant retailers is free. Penalty fee on overdrawn account is 10 ringgit. E-debit at merchant retailers is free. Sales draft retrieval fee is 15 ringgit per copy sales draft. So these were the all information about MayBank Visa Debit Picture Card. See you in another informative video. Subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates of the latest videos. Like, share and comment.